Tired of recreating reports for each team member? Learn how to share any Pipedrive report in under 30 seconds. You know the drill. You spend time building the perfect report in Pipedrive. It shows exactly what you need. But then you realize your colleague needs to see it too. So you take a screenshot, or you go through the whole process of recreating it from scratch for them. It is a huge time sink. And honestly, it is completely unnecessary. Pipedrive has a built-in way to share reports directly. And once you know where to look, it is almost too easy. I will walk you through the exact steps. Open your report, find the share option, and select the right users. Let us go. So start from your Pipedrive dashboard. This is where you land when you log in. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. You will see a list of all the main sections. Go ahead and click on Insights. That is the section that houses all of your reports and dashboards. Now that you are in Insights, you need to navigate to the Reports section. You will probably see a list of your saved reports on the left side of the screen. Just click on the specific report you want to share. Open it up so you are looking at the full view. Make sure it is the right one, because this is what you are about to give other people access to. All right, take a look in the top right corner of that report. You should see a button labeled More. It looks like 3 dots stacked vertically. That is your key to the sharing menu. Click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select the option that says Share with Users. This is where the magic happens. Pipedrive will now pull up a new window. Just wait for it. It says Share Report at the top. We are almost there. So now this Modal window is open. You will see a search field that says Search User or Team. Go ahead and click inside that box. This activates the search. Now, start typing the name of the person or the team you want to share this with. You can type a username, like a colleague's first name, or you can type the name of a specific team in your Pipedrive. As you type, the box will start showing you matching results. This might take a moment to populate, especially if you have a lot of users, so just give it a second. Once you see the correct result pop up, click on it. That will add them to the list inside the window. You can actually add multiple people or teams at once if you need to. Just search again and click another name. Now for the final step. Down at the bottom of that window, you will see a blue Save button. Click that. And just like that, the report is shared. Pipedrive will confirm it by showing a little green success message at the top. You are done. No screenshots, no rebuilding. It is just there for them. And here is the really important part. Let us verify it actually worked. You could ask your teammate to check their own Insights section. Or if you want to test it yourself, you could log into a test user account. But the main thing to know is that they will now see that report in their own list. They can open it, filter it, and view the data just like you can. Now, pay attention to this one. What if you need to take that access away? It happens. Maybe someone changes roles or a project ends. Revoking access is just as fast. Go back to your report, click that same More button with the 3 dots. Select Share with Users again. You will see the list of people who currently have access. Next to their name, there is a little X. Just click that X to remove them. Then hit Save. Access is gone instantly. It is a clean, controlled way to manage who sees what. And that is really all there is to it. You have gone from struggling with workarounds to instantly granting report access to anyone in your Pipedrive. It saves you time, it saves your team confusion, and it keeps everyone on the same page. So next time you build a great report, just share it. You will wonder why you ever did it the hard way.